Today we're going to level up our math. I know, terrible joke, but if you know me, my jokes are awful. Alex earned 825 points in a video game. Each level is worth 75 points. How many levels did Alex complete? So let's think about this. We're going to take down all of the important information in our problem. So earned 825 points, and then each level 75 points. And then the question we're being asked is, how many levels did Alex complete? I want you to pause and try it, and then I'm going to give a couple of different strategies. Make sure you try it, because the way a fourth grader would solve this and the way a fifth grader would solve this are very different. How do you solve it? Okay, I'm writing down all of the important information. Earned 825 points. Each level is 75 points. I know I'm repeating myself, but it helps your brain. How many levels are there? What kind of games do you like? I just played Mario Party yesterday. I know it's old school, but it's so fun. Anyway, so the situation is that we are leveling up. We know how many points Alex scored, how many points each level is worth, and we know they're asking us to find out how many levels Alex played. So now we're going to try it. A fourth grader and a fifth grader would solve this problem differently, and that is okay. There are often many different ways to solve problems. First, let's think about how a fourth grader would solve this problem. So we might use what we know about multiplication and multiplying by tens to think that if Alex played 10 levels, he would have scored 750 points. Now we know he scored more than that. So let's add another 75 and see what happens. I've stacked my numbers by place value. And when I add correctly, you can see that we now have 825 points, which is how many points Alex scored. So when we multiplied by 10, and then we added another 75, that means 11 75s is 825. And so Alex scored 11 levels in total. The way a fifth grader would solve this is actually using division. By mid-fifth grade, you should be able to divide 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. And if you can't, that's all right. Just keep practicing. So we're going to do 825 divided by 75. So there are no 75s inside the number 8, 0 75s inside the number 8. So I'm actually going to start with 82. 82 divided by 75. There's 175 inside 82. And then I'm going to subtract. And 82 minus 75 is 7. And then we're going to bring down that other 5. And as you can see, there's one more 75. So it will give us the same answer of 11. Alex played 11 levels of the video game. I'm going to box myself a little area to write my sentence. I'm going to go back and reread my question so that I can use that as a question stem. How many levels did Alex complete? Alex completed 11 levels. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed our problem of the day. How did you solve it? See you next time. I forgot one really important step. A fifth grader after dividing, should check their answer. And to do that, we're going to multiply 75 by 11. We're going to stack them by place value. Oops, I think I have run out of space here. Sorry, you can't see the whole thing. Let me move it up. There you go. I just did this really quick as a reminder that we'd like to check our work and make sure that we're correct. And I should have done that before writing my sentence. But 75 times 11 is indeed 85. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.